Hello and welcome to another video. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to construct an equilateral triangle and then probably bisect an angle if we have time. So the first thing we want to do is create any segment we want. It can be as big or as small as we want it to be. So let me make this pen a little bigger here so we construct any segment we want. So let's move this ruler here. Let's put a point here and we will call it A. Put another point, call it B. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to take our compass and put our point on A because I want my center, my circle to be at A, and I want the radius to be AB. So we will slide our pencil all the way down. I might need to make it a little bigger. Nope, I'm good. Then we draw a circle. Boom. Let's move this. So right now what I have, let me move this real quick, hold on. So what I have is, I have one circle with center A and radius AB. Then I want to create another circle with center B and radius again AB. So notice how I didn't really have to change my radius because the radius is going to be the same size from AB already, so I didn't really have to change that. Let's construct another circle. Boom, boom. So let's move this thing. And then where the two circles intersect, we put a point, and we will call it C. So now if I connect A to C and B to C, what I just constructed was an equilateral triangle. Let me move this here, hold on. A to C, and then B to C. Boom. So inside here is my equilateral triangle. So now for your quiz, you'll have to construct a regular, either hexagon, pentagon. We'll have to construct some other geometric shape here. So if I wanted to do that, I just continue to make circles off of my new lengths. So again, I would create a circle with center A, radius AC. I'll make another circle, and where those two circles intersect, somewhere up here, I would connect my segment, and it would construct another equilateral triangle. So that's how we construct equilateral triangles. Let's change this page here. Now what I'm going to do is try to construct, or not construct, but I'm going to bisect any angle. So again, I start with any segment I want. It can be as big or as small as you want it to be. Let's change this ruler. And I need to intersect two segments. So let's say they intersect here. So I have two segments. Let's draw our angle. Boom. Okay, we'll move that. So now, these two rays form my angle, right? So everything inside here is an interior angle versus everything outside in the space is an exterior angle. So what I want to do now is just label my vertex A. And remember, an angle is formed when two rays are on top of each other. So now, let's flip this. Boom. Oop. I don't want that. Let's move that. Let's take this. So put your point, or your sharp edge, on A. Again, I want to construct another circle with center A, and my radius can be as big or as small as I want it to be. The only catch is I want it to cross both of these rays. So if I make it too big, where it won't cross the top here, then it doesn't do me any good. So you can make it as big as or as small as you want, as long as it intersects both rays. So I say let's make it about this big. That works. Let's construct our circle. Boom. So now what I have is I have a circle with center A and radius some length. So let's name these intersection points P1 and P2. P1 and P2. Then I take my point, because I want to construct now a new circle with center P1 and the radius is P1, P2. So I take my point and I put it on P1. I put my pencil mark on P2, and then I would just construct a new circle. Boom. Okay, so right now I have two circles, one center A, radius A, P2. I have another circle, center P1 and radius P1, P2. So I construct a third and final circle, at P2. I want my center at P2 and the radius again, P1. So let's move this so your point is on P2, your pencil's on P1, and then we construct a third circle. So I got a lot of things going on here. I have three circles, center A, center P1, center P2. A lot of stuff is going on. But where the two circles intersect, P1 and P2, I put a point. Let's call it B. I then connect a new ray. See if I can do this. This is kind of hard to do on here. I connect a new ray from A to B. Click on the pen. So I construct a new ray from A to B. So, like I said, it's kind of tough to see here, but this now, angle P1A, P2 is bisected by ray AB, which means P1, so angle P1, AB is congruent or equal to angle BA, P2. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle. And that's how you would bisect an angle. So again, if you have any questions, please bring them to class today, and I will help you with anything that you are struggling with. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.